The periscope camera and display components Apple needs are hard to come by. The periscope telephoto camera, which is said to be the distinctive feature of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, is reportedly having trouble finding components, according to a claim by the Korean publication The Elec. According to the claims, fewer periscope zoom components from Sony and LG Innotek are being produced than anticipated. If there isn't enough inventory to build iPhone 15 Pro Max units, there may be delays in the release of this model or possibly the whole iPhone 15 line. There may also be significant supply shortages when the devices go on sale, as we saw with the iPhone 14 Pro and particularly the iPhone 14 Pro Max last year. We're quite enthusiastic about the reported periscope telephoto camera for the iPhone 15 Pro Max since it should significantly increase the optical zoom level that an iPhone can accomplish. According to rumors, the iPhone will support 5x or 6x magnification thanks to a periscope system that enables a more potent zoom lens to fit in its compact chassis. However, the iPhone 15 Pro isn't believed to include this capability. According to rumors, the smaller Pro iPhone will retain the 3x telephoto zoom that has been present on the previous two versions of Pro iPhones. Elsewhere, all iPhone 15 displays have reached mass production, according to the Elec, although there may not be enough at this time to go around, particularly for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. The four anticipated next-generation iPhone models' displays will be mass-produced by Samsung Display, the first and only firm that Apple has given this approval. The great portion of any display, however, is not made by it. Rather, Apple seems to have chosen both for the regular and Plus screens and LG Display to concentrate on the displays for the Pro models, which is why there may be difficulty in store. The Elec asserts LG now only has conditional clearance to build the iPhone 15 Pro displays, with agreements in place for it to build the screens for the Pro Max as well. Accordingly, LG Display still has some work to do before Apple would trust it with the Pro Max. More work is also needed before LG Display's display manufacturing is deemed trustworthy enough to be used for mass production of the iPhone 15 Pro screens. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.